Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to report a legal issue with Gemini response. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Gemini, open it. After that, go and click on the three lines, or you can just ask him any question like, what is the weather in Chicago, for example. He will give me an answer, and after that answer, as you can see, there is three dots. Click on them, and as you can see, there is an option called report legal issue. You have just to click on it, and after that it will give you like some questions, and you have just to select whatever thing like or whatever problem you have seen in that answer from Google Gemini. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you.